आपने कभी पार्टी इन द माउथ सुना है? वेल, आई हैव एक्चुअली टेस्टेड व्हाट पार्टी इन द माउथ इज. नाउ जब भी whenever I'm cooking with this lovely dragon fire chutney, there is always a party in my mouth. चलो पार्टी बनाते हैं. So good food starts with good ingredients. And I'll tell you, आज मैं बना रहा हूँ मेरी very special fried rice. All you need is some vegetables, some cooked rice. You want to add some ginger garlic? Of course, I like to add a little bit of ginger garlic. But लेकिन जो fried rice का sauce जो बनता है सिर्फ only with two things. I've got some soya sauce and I've got some chutney. पहले तो हम थोड़े से vegetables prep करते हैं. तो हल्का सा जिंजर. नो आजकल जिंजर गार्लिक की पेस्ट भी मिलती है. You want to buy the paste, you want to use it, you can always do that. But you know, ये शेफ का टशन है. Certain things you like to do at home, but sometimes you have to be smart and sometimes you just open the bottle and cook. Nicely, finely shredded ginger. Then let's slice some garlic. I love to slice my garlic when I cook, okay? Because जो sliced garlic की taste जो है जब fry होती है is very very different from chopped garlic. And minced garlic has a completely different flavor, okay? So sliced garlic is always for me. I love to slice my garlic. ये compulsory नहीं है आपको डालने के लिए, लेकिन मैं डालूंगा. Okay, I love to add a little bit of chilies in my fried rice. Okay, now you can use the same recipe if you want to make noodles with this. Exactly, you can use the same. Now let's get some veggies going. Now any kind of vegetables are good for this recipe. मैं थोड़ी सी broccoli use करूँगा. I love using broccoli because आजकल where I stay is very easily available. तो broccoli को हमने बिल्कुल slice कर लिया. Beautiful. Veggies done. In fact, let's do one thing. Let's just put all my veggies in this. So we've got this cut so far. Now, let's use a little bit of some red bell pepper. Slicing these as well. Beautiful. तो इसको हम slice करके रख देते हैं यहाँ पे for my rice. A carrot as well. ये जो carrot sticks हैं, carrot sticks को काटता हूँ, cucumber को काटता हूँ, मूली जब मूली का सीजन होता है उसको काटता हूँ, अच्छी तरह raw vegetable sticks. And that, open the bottle, put it in a bowl. Boom! Brilliant! Party in the mouth हो गई very easily. Okay? इसको भी हम स्ट्रिप्स में काट देते हैं. ओके, लवली. और थोड़ा सा कैबेज. ओके, पत्ता गोभी तो सबके घर पे होती है. एग्जैक्टली, दीज आर ऑल वेजिटेबल्स व्हिच यू नॉर्मली फाइंड इन पीपल्स होम्स. इसको भी हमने अच्छी तरह shred कर दिया है. A lot of people like to cut into small brunoise, as the chefs call it, but I'm happy with this. Okay, so we have our vegetables here. So थोड़ा सा हम vegetable oil डालते हैं इसमें. Give it a little swirl. और very simple, pan गरम हुआ, bang, पटक लिया सारे vegetables, ginger, garlic, all together. Don't worry about it. I had some cooked rice. हम use कर रहे हैं. Now remember, जब भी आप fried rice बनाते हो, make sure that your rice, your cooked rice is actually cold, not really hot. Because क्या होगा अगर आप गरम चावल के साथ fried rice बनाओगे, they all gonna mash up and you will end up with a fried rice khichdi. Exactly. Let's put all our veggies in this. Lovely. Broccoli भी डाल दी. Now you know, when we are making fried rice, you have to make sure that जो vegetables है, they are just perfectly cooked. Okay? हम थोड़ा सा salt डालेंगे, and then we're going to be adding just a touch of soya sauce, not too much, हल्का सा. Beautiful. और अब हम इसमें डालेंगे हमारी चिंग्स की ड्रैगन फायर चटनी. हल्का सा मिक्स कर दिया, ब्यूटिफुल। ये देखिए, वाओ, दैट इज अ होल पार्टी गोइंग ऑन गाइस। अभी हम डालेंगे इसमें हमारे चावल और फिर ब्यूटिफुली जस्ट टॉस इट इन। लवली, थोड़ा सा धनिया का पत्ता, ओके, ब्यूटिफुल, लिटिल बिट ऑफ धनिया, a little bit of salt, और हमारी फ्राइड राइस रेडी। ओ या, है ना, party in the mouth. So make sure you like it, subscribe to our channel, share it, and definitely I'm waiting for you to cook these dishes.